So, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the focus group discussion. As you were briefed before, we are Second Dish Life.
Uh-huh.
Our project is about the rehoming and practices of the rehoming of retired service dogs. So, to get started, retired canines are dogs who work in public services such as drug, bomb detection, airport security, and other such fields. Now, they deserve a peaceful home where they can rest, feel safe, and simply be a dog. Second Dish Life is dedicated to encouraging and informing potential adopters so that these dogs may find proper homes in their retirement. We also aim to encourage people who are unable to adopt to donate to the shelters that house and take care of these dogs. So, why are you here? We've gathered all of you to test our project and give your initial impressions. We'd like to take your suggestions and feedback in order to improve the project and make it more user friendly. So, since you've all seen the project, let us proceed. So, the first question, when you first hear the phrase retired service dogs, what immediately comes to mind with your initial impressions, experiences for the topic? Yes.
For me, what first comes to mind, um, there's how, do how can I put it in a better way? The best way I could put it would be they're loyal, um, they're loyal assistants. Well, not really assistants, but companions instead. That that have been through so much. Me being not the first observer or having first-hand experience, right? For me, they're really loyal companions that try to help out their human companions as well, in the best way possible. That
Yeah,
have been through, yeah, that
I
have been
see.
through the service and are now, taking their rest, their leave.
Okay. Sir Gab.
Yeah, so same as Fed din, loyal companions. Mostly, I believe siguro may mga injuries or
Mm,
I guess matanda na
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
because dogs in the service, 'di ba? They do ex they sniff,
they do a lot.
they do a lot. Some apprehend uh suspects, 'di ba? Yeah.
okay, thank you so much for those answers. Let's proceed to the next question. When you were browsing, was there anything at first glance that you felt confusing, unclear, or made you pause?
Uh, for me, there wasn't really anything confusing with the website. Uh, I think most of the information you would need is already there. You also have a great video, showcasing um, what your project is about. So for me, everything was clear. Everything was on point. Uh, yeah, yeah. That's all I could say.
For me naman, I like na parang may general gist pag visit mo ng website, which is yung video, di ba?
Hmm.
I like na it's around 1 minute and 30 seconds to 2 minutes. I like na nasa YouTube yung platform ng una. I'm just, lang, parang na-concern lang ako na yung sa info tab, parang hindi ata siya YouTube. So like, when I tried to play it, Parang ang tagal niya mag-load. It would be nice if
To
it's
have like
YouTube.
streamlined, yeah.
Yeah. Is this the part ba na we give feedback?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so yung parang yung first video pag open sa'yo ng website, it would be nice if there's a thumbnail for it. Kasi when unang pasok ko parang ano tong bakit may
Right.
parang awkward,
Ah, I see, I see.
di ba? So it would be nice if may mga thumbnails. Doon sa info part, it would be nice if yung OBB, yung opening billboard is wala sa harapan. Kasi parang kasi, 'di ba, ang theme natin is where parang it's a sanctuary for di ba, retired service dogs. Parang ang naging me kasi asa pumasok sa website, parang nakita ko may pagka-corporate.
Mm.
Yeah, pero I get naman na OBB multimedia, but it would be nice if hindi siya yung unang madadatnan ng audience. And yeah, yun din yung tawag dito, yung mga videos. Like example, right now, what I'm seeing is black yung sa info tab. It would be nice if
Yeah.
gayahin natin yung sa homepage. Yun. Or yeah, sabi nga ni Fedstream.
One more thing I'd like to raise as well within the info page. For sure, this isn't live yet, no? Because I was scrolling through it nga pala. And dun sa bottom part, sa may yung thoughts on the information page, maybe instead of info, change it to another type of text, maybe like thoughts on information, or just to, I don't know, make it more appropriate. And then, ayun, dito, kita pa yung mga test comments. So, siguro, if you push this to live, soon enough, then maybe, just remember to remove the test comments just so hindi makita ng iba. Sa, ano pa ba? Self-assessment, when you click on it, just pops you up to a, what's this? Google form link, no? For this one, siguro, this might be too technical na, but maybe a pop-up of a confirmation saying you will be forwarded or moved to this link below. The Google form link is there para some people won't be surprised na bakit biglang napunta sa ibang tab or open the new tab. Just I think this would relate more to privacy data concerns and all that.
Okay. Shall we proceed to the next question?
Yeah.
Yep.
So, would you say our website provided you with a brand new information, or did some of the information felt like it could have been figured out through common sense?
Do you want to start, Gab, or
I mean, the website or yung pinaglalaban is, I mean, I'm intrigued ako because, okay, this is sanctuary for retired service dogs. We usually see service dogs sa saan ba, sa mga LRT or sa mga events. But yung mga ganitong perspective na, there are retired service dogs na needs a new home. I mean, okay, I'm gonna I wanna read through it more. Now,
yeah.
in terms of parang information na I could have figured common sense, no. It's really interesting. Like I wanna see sino ba yung mga na to, mga aso na to, ganyan.
Okay.
How are they? Meron ba yung like I mean, not only the dogs but yung mga nag-aalaga sa kanila. I don't know the terminologies but yung nagke-caretaker ganyan. Like how did they like take care of the dogs ganyan.
Mm.
Yung situation ganyan. So
Mm.
I'm really intrigued. Yeah.
Just to add to what Gab said, there really isn't any, or as far as I know, there isn't any community or let's say a group who's actually done this and has been public about it.
Mhm.
So, yung dun sa question na, yun, would you feel like the information could have been figured out through common sense? That would be a big no. Kasi nga, wala masyadong gumagawa nito eh. And this is
True.
kudos to you guys as well for starting this. As far as my knowledge goes, wala pa ako ibang nakikita na ganito. So, this is actually very good, very interesting, you know. Because madalas what we see on social media nowadays, on the news maybe, are dogs that, get rescued or just on the street, right? Sila yung nabibigyan ng attention, sila yung nabibigyan ng focus. Don't get me wrong, they still need help. Yes, they do. Pero yun nga, what about the other dogs? Those dogs that were in service, those dogs that have suffered injuries because of being in the field, up and about, serving, protecting. So they also, for me, I totally agree. They also need help, as do other dogs. So yeah, this is a very very interesting concept, a very interesting project,
Yeah.
and I'm sure a lot of other people will be, they'll have their interest piqued.
All right. Let's proceed. What is one doubt you have about the project that the content failed to address?
Hmm. Let me think.
Uh I guess I should start.
Go.
So I guess parang ang nagkukulang for me is the dogs are not kinda involved. Like sino yung mga aso na to na showcase mo dun sa homepage video? Like
Mm.
very
Right.
quick
Right.
sino to? Like kunyari si
Like
Char
introductions. No.
mm. Or like parang what's up with with the dogs here? Like gets mo ba? Yung parang
Yeah.
they need to be involved. Parang para kami kunyari ako as a curious or just browsing. I have parang nai-immerse ako na ito pala yung mga tao dito. Sorry, ito pala yung mga aso dito, ganyan. Ganun. Nakukulangan ako doon kasi ang nakikita ko lang video-wise sa lahat ng mga video na pinanood ko dito is behind the scenes or like videos of uh, who are these people by the way?
Mm.
Yung mga siguro ka-group mo na nakipaglaro sa aso. So, parang mostly puro ganun lang siya. Wala akong nakikita na parang, this dog's name is ganito and
Okay.
is a
Oo.
service dog na ganyan. Tapos, ito yung history niya. Ganun mo yun, parang it would be nice if may mga ganun,
Mm.
no? Actually, maganda nga if merong like a tab dedicated for it.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay, so for me naman, I agree with Gab. The dogs should be involved as well. At the same time, looking back dun sa info page or information page, no, tab, I did see there yung Hound Haven, no, which is a shelter for retired service dogs. Looking at it, just showing the video, um, siguro more information about Hound Haven could be good. At the same time, more information on you guys. Like, dun sa about us nyo, meron kayong meet our team. Pero after nung meet our team nyo, it's just pictures nyo. Or wala kayong backstory, introduction. I get yung introduction nyo is who are we, you know. Pero that's your introduction as a group, di ba? So, siguro mas better na may sarili kayong introductions. Doesn't have to be long. You know, introductions nyo lang sarili nyo on why you decided to be a part of the project or what made you, you know, interested in this kind of project. Ganun. Para din when people, you know, look back on this, when they go through your page, it's not just the dogs that they're getting to know. They're getting to know you as well as a person. Para alam mo yun, kung sino man yung mag-push through sa pag-adopt, yan, di ba, kukontakin kayo. At least meron na silang konting backstory sa inyo. They'll feel more comfortable communicating with you. Di ba? Instead of just, you know, eto, si ganito, sino yan. Di ba? So, maghuhulaan pa, ganun. So, yun, that's another thing that you guys could address, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's proceed to our next question. What do you know about retired service dogs that you didn't know before going through this website?
Okay, so for me, I never knew na may kaisa-isang shelter. Okay, and I never knew that service dogs when they retired here in the Philippines at least, that they go to shelters instead. Most of what I saw on social media, you know, retired service dogs go along with their human companion. Yung mga kung sino yung partner nila in the field, sa kanila din madalas napupunta yung service dog kapag nag-retire. So, you know, yun yung isa sa mga never kong nalaman about retired service dogs here in the Philippines, that they just go to a shelter and then they just stay there for the rest of their life.
Uh, Me naman, I see na ano, okay, retired service dogs needs like parang how do I say this? Parang they need a new family. Gets ba? It's
Mm.
like what I can see sa website is, oh, okay, they retire here and then they die here. It would be nice if alam mo yun, meron silang bagong home
Hmm.
na would take care of them, a family, ganyan. So parang nagkakaroon ako ng parang interest or yeah, nagkakaroon ng interest na okay. Ganito pala nangyayari sa kanila tulad nga ni Fed. Sinabi ni Fed. Yeah.
All right. So, next question. How did the website perform on your phone versus on your desktop?
Actually good. So, mobile part. Can I check real quick?
Yes, of course. Um, I believe I've sent you the link. You can.
Okay, so may mga text size and spacing issues when I access the website. That's what I noticed first thing. Uh, the videos yung concern ko yung sa info tab,
Hmm.
it works very smoothly. Meanwhile dito sa PC parang black lang siya or like takes a lot of time to load.
Okay.
Yeah. So I guess may mga konti pa sigurong kailangan smoothen now. I still suggest na yung mga videos sa YouTube manggaling. Kasi parang ano yun, double yung benefit niya.
Okay.
Not only that, very streamlined and mas okay siya sa website. Parang you can build like a brand or like an identity din sa YouTube platform. It makes sense.
Hmm.
Yeah. Ikaw, Fed.
Mm, for me, pag-access ko naman dito sa browser on a desktop. Responsive. I didn't meet any um, inconsistencies, I guess, with loading times and responsiveness of the tabs. Uh, what else? Okay. Siguro, ito lang. The only slow response time, pero minsan lang din kasi mangyari. When I click on the donate tab, but I guess that just takes a while to load. And then when you click on it again, click on another tab. It's good naman. One inconsistency I can include here for the website when accessing through a desktop. Yung about tab, right?
Hmm.
There's dito sa top bar. Okay, so if you go to home, you see yung header, right? It's the white bar. And then sa pinaka taas talaga yung there's a sliver of the picture that's being shown, diba? When you go to the about page, it's just full white, and then there's this black markings at the top that has nothing to do, I guess, with the picture that's being shown. So yun. Um, but other than that, I don't I don't see anything else. Sa phone, I tried opening it as well. It opens naman kagad. Although, siguro formatting wise, maybe. Wait I'll just open it again. Formatting wise, wala rin namang problems. Although, there are some elements here, like let's say dito sa homepage, right? When you open it on your mobile device or the mobile browser. Ah, Etong sa introduction ng We Are Second Leash Life through information and support, we make adopting. Medyo off yung formatting ng text niya
Oh, yeah.
kasi ano line by line ang
Malaki masyado yung
malaki
text
yung text.
or too much text.
Yeah. Ano pa ba? Sa about
Also, if you
Ayun,
can,
sa about din, when you open it on the mobile page, the picture is cropped. There's a black bar under the picture sa pag pumunta ka ng about. Tapos yung missions dun sa about page, it's not centered yung missions, and pati yung text naka-align sa left. And yung ano din, yung picture ng what's this, a beagle bago yung meet our team, it's also not centered. Tapos yung last picture dun sa meet our team, um, isang team member nyo is super small when it's opened on the mobile browser.
also, some pages you can like zoom in. Tapos, some page, may mga zoom, when you zoom out pala, sorry, parang may mga white or like parang, send ko siya. Hindi siya masend eh. Lang.
Yung ano din pala, just to add, habang yan ni Gab yun, sa donate page, when you open it on the mobile browser, again, the picture of the dog is cropped. You can only see the dog's tongue and then yung legs
Yeah.
ng human.
Mm.
So yeah, yung ano, example is yung info. If you zoom out using your phone, yung right side niya bigla magkakaroon ng malaking white space.
Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. I
Mm.
see it.
But what's the ano? Wait lang, sorry. Pero yung donate page, tama siya. Hindi siya na-zoom out. And
Mm-mm.
yeah, I don't specialize in websites
In web UI.
specifically. So
Okay.
sorry for the
Right, right,
terms,
right.
but yeah. Also, so since 'di ba, so 'di ba yung concern ni ano, ni Fed sa homepage, yung malaki yung text,
Mm.
which is yung ano, yung we second leash life ganyan. Doon sa donate, meron ganing same style. Dito, it's okay. It's ano, it's properly sized, I guess,
Mm-mm.
yung font.
Okay.
But it could be better. Yeah.
Right.
More on ano talaga, more on ano lang, alignment pagdating sa
Yeah, true.
mobile version. Tsaka consistencies in text size and
Mhm.
formatting. Kasi pati yung sa about page, if you zoom it out, ganun din yung nangyayari if you zoom it
May ano
out
na,
sa info.
yeah.
Mm.
Naka-align
Hindi,
left.
hindi mo, pagka zinoomin mo ulit, hindi na siya ano, hindi na siya bumabalik sa original formatting niya.
Okay. Let's proceed.
Yep.
Were the interactive elements like hovers or animation smooth that didn't feel laggy?
Everything was smooth naman.
Yeah, the
So,
buttons are smooth.
yeah, the
It's
interactions were smooth.
yung like I said nga yung info yung mga videos sa sa website sa PC.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a concern. But the rest naman is okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Since you've raised your concerns about this already from the previous questions, let's proceed to the next. While you were navigating, did you get stuck anywhere or did you find yourself wanting to do something that the website wouldn't let you do?
For me, no naman. As much as formatting issues go, with responsiveness and objectivity, functionality, everything was smooth.
Uh may mga parang tab doon na ano, like War Day, what can you do?
Hmm.
Yung kikinlik ko yung War Day, nag-redirect siya dun sa info and then parang ang expectation ko is parang profile ng mga dogs. But
Hmm.
instead parang yung nga yung tatlong video na how to adopt and ano. Intended ba yun or placeholder ba? Question.
I'm sorry. Ano, what
Yung
part?
War Day, 'di ba may War Day dun sa homepage?
Homepage, were they? Ah, oh, I see, I see, I see.
Kumbaga parang ako ang expectation ko is parang profile ng mga
To get
dogs.
redirected to the dogs. Okay.
Oo. But instead dun sa info and then ng content nga is yung how to adapt, process, ganyan.
Okay.
So, is it intended or placeholder lang siya?
It's intended, but I believe we can reword the who
Yeah,
or
yeah.
they
Yeah.
to a more specific what do you call it? Specific direction. So when you redirect, you're not expecting something not
Okay.
there. Okay. Thank you so much for that insight. So if we're done with this question, let's proceed. How did the overall layout affect how you move through the site?
Mm, Overall, it's a good layout, really. Just ano lang, polishing upon a few details here and there,
Mm.
especially yung formatting.
Mhm.
Because as you know, most people are divided, right, between using a laptop or a computer and their mobile devices. Most of the time, I'm sure you would agree, maybe no, people are mostly on their phones naman na din. So most likely, uh, there will be a time that most of your viewers will be on mobile devices, or most of the users who would access your website would be on mobile devices. So yun, the layout na lang siguro with with opening the website on a mobile device, yun na lang siguro yung kailangan ma-polish up. But everything else, it was good.
Yeah. Same as with mga konting polishes na lang. Mostly yung mga points na binanggit namin from the past questions.
Alright.
I would say nga na ano din, very important yung mobile because like Fed said nga, maraming gumagamit ng mobile.
Mm.
So we should put importance on it. Yung mga like yung mga issues sa spacing, sa layout, uh, double check. Please double check. Kasi details matter. Sorry, attention to details matter. Lalo na sa mga ganito. We want to attract 'di ba ng mga people who want to adopt.
Mm.
So yeah.
Alright, for the last, I believe the last question. Was the flow of the pages logical, or did you feel like you were jumping back and forth?
For me, um, no sa jumping back and forth.
Okay.
Siguro yung about, I would place it right after the homepage, because for me personally, the next thing I would want to know is who who the group is behind this project before I would go into, um or like what is the project really about. Kasi with the information here, yung info tab, it's more on ano like yung titles dito, adoption guide, common concerns, triggers, then there's additional videos. I think this should be after um about, or maybe they should switch places. I would feel more confident in learning who you guys are after the homepage, and then going into the self-assessment and the donation. Then, if I need more information, then that would be for me yung last page. Yun yung mas logical for me. I don't know about Gab, but for me that would be more logical.
I actually agree with you. Yeah. And like I said nga kanina, it would be nice if merong like
More
profiles ng mga dogs.
yeah.
Okay.
Now, yung binanggit ko rin kanina is yung like yung pag-redirect, yung who are they.
Mm.
I guess yun lang naman ang nag-iisang issue, but yung pinaka homepage mismo, it's really good. Nandun lahat. Straight to the point. Hindi siya yung parang very convoluted or confusing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So with that being said, thank you so much for participating in this focus group discussion. Before you leave, I will be sending you a form to get your demographics for,
Yeah.
and kindly send me your GCash information for the compensation.
Okay.
In the chat box, there should be a Google form link for the demographic form.
Okay.
Kindly fill that up and let me know once you're done.
Question with the annual household income, is this just for me or my family combined?
Um,
Ang nilagay ko na lang is prefer not to say.
Okay.
it's up to you since this survey is just to
Set a baseline.
look baseline on what might be a prospective adopter of a recite service dog. Since
Okay.
if you live on your own, it's your own
Okay.
salary. If you live
Okay.
with other people, it's to combine because you're taking care of the one dog.
Okay. I'm done with
All
that.
right. Thank you so
Yeah, we're done
much.
too. Thank you.
That being said, I'll end the recording and thank you so much.